Hello, my friend. Do you want to speak English better and faster? Maybe you want to travel, study, or get a better job. Learning English can help you do all of these things. But many people ask, how can I learn English quickly? Is it difficult? What should I do first? Today, I will share 10 easy and powerful tips to help you learn English faster. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice every day. Let's start. Tip 1. Learn a few new words every day. Words are the building blocks of language. If you know more words, you can understand more and speak more. But don't try to learn too many words at once. That can be confusing. Start with just 5 or 10 new words a day. After 1 week, you will know 35 to 70 new words. Here's what you can do. Write the word in a notebook. Say it out loud. Write a sentence with it. Draw a small picture if you want. Example, word, happy. Sentence. I am happy today. Now say it, I am happy today. Quick challenge. Say 5 things that make you happy. In English. For example, coffee, music, my cat, sunshine, friends. Repeat your words every day. Repetition is the key. Tip 2. Watch English videos with subtitles. YouTube is your friend. There are many good videos with English subtitles. You can watch funny videos, cooking shows, cartoons, interviews, or vlogs. Why subtitles? Because you can listen and read at the same time. This helps your ears and your eyes understand English together. What to do? Watch once with English subtitles. Watch again and pause when you don't understand. Repeat difficult phrases out loud. Example, a person says, "It's a beautiful day today." You pause and repeat, "It's a beautiful day today." Try to copy their accent and tone. This is called shadowing. Tip 3. Use English every day in your life. Practice makes progress. If you want to get better at anything, dancing, cooking, football, you need to practice often. It's the same with English. Here's how to use English every day. Talk to yourself in English in the mirror. Describe your day. I am walking to the shop. Label things in your house: door, window, fridge. Try this small daily routine. In the morning, say what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. In the afternoon, write 3 sentences about your day. In the evening, watch a short video or read a story in English. Even 15 minutes a day can help you grow fast. Tip 4. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Many people feel shy or scared. What if I say it wrong? What if people laugh? Let me tell you something. Mistakes are good. Why? Because they help you learn. Children make many mistakes when they learn to speak, but they keep talking. You should do the same. When you make a mistake, don't stop. Say, "Oh, I see. Next time I will say it better." Nobody is perfect, but if you don't speak, you can't improve. Tip 5. Repeat and review often. You forget what you don't repeat. That's normal. Your brain needs time. You must see a word 7 to 10 times to really remember it. So review is very important. Here's a simple plan. Day 1, learn the new word. Day 2, write it again and say it. Day 3, use it in a sentence. Day 4, teach someone else. Day 5, review it with flashcards. Repeat old words and mix them with new ones. This helps you build a strong memory. Tip 6. Listen to music in English and sing along. Music helps your brain learn naturally. Songs are fun, and you remember the rhythm and words more easily. Here's how to use music. Choose a simple song. Find the lyrics, the words of the song. Listen and read at the same time. Then sing along. Try songs like "Let It Be" by the Beatles, "Someone Like You" by Adele, or kids' songs like "If You're Happy and You Know It." You don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy it and sing. Tip 7. Read simple books and stories. Reading helps with vocabulary and grammar. Start with graded readers, books written for your level. You can also read short fairy tales, children's stories, simple articles, what to do. Read slowly. Underline new words. Guess meaning from the context. Use a dictionary only if needed. After reading, tell the story again in your own words. Write a short summary in English. Talk about the characters or your opinion. Reading is fun, relaxing, and powerful. Tip 8. Use fun apps and games. There are many free apps that help you learn English. They make learning fun. Try apps like Duolingo Quizlet, Memrise Drops. Set a small goal, 10 minutes every day, on the bus, before bed, or during lunch. It's better to study a little every day than a lot one time. Also, try English puzzles or memory games. Tip 9. Find someone to speak with. You don't have to learn alone. Find someone who also wants to practice English. You can talk with a friend. Join an English-speaking club. Use apps like Hello Talk or Tandem Talk to an online tutor. Even one short call a week can help you. Build confidence. Practice listening. Use real-life vocabulary. Talk about your day, your hobbies, your dreams. Just speak and keep it simple. Tip 10. Start thinking in English. This is a big step, but it helps you become fluent. When you think in English, you don't translate from your language. Your brain becomes faster. Start like this. Look around and say what you see. This is a table. It is brown. I sit. Talk to yourself in your mind. Now I am walking. I feel good. Ask yourself, what do I want to eat? Maybe eggs. Start with small thoughts. Soon it becomes natural. Now let's review the 10 tips. Learn a few new words every day. Watch English videos with subtitles. Use English every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Repeat and review often. Listen to music and sing along. Read simple books. Use fun apps and games. Find someone to speak with. Start thinking in English. Choose 3 tips and start using them today. Then add more. Step by step. You are smart. You are strong. You can speak English. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.